Hello. Today I'm going to show you a printer head alignment on your Epson WorkForce WF-2650 printer. This is important if you have problems with documents often, or if you have color with a frame or over the frame of your paper area, of course. Then you have to make an alignment again. You have to make a clear setup of the printer head. So how we perform this? We are going to switch on the device, of course. Then we go down to setup process. Then we go down to the maintenance level. Go. Print head alignment. Go to it. Vertical alignment are possible and horizontal. Let's start with the vertical alignment. We start and print now. That means we will need a paper inside that device, and then after this, we will get an information with cubes and something else, with colors, black colors, and maybe lines. And we have to look where is the best area in these areas we are going to see now. That will cost you a little bit time, and after this process, we can continue with the setup process. We will get such a paper now here. You see here number 1 up to number 4. That means we are now programming in the next step which one here on this line, if we are programming number 1, which line is the best choice without a lot of lines. And this we will program, and we perform this again with the others. So that's here's the ultimate one now, which is possible to get there. So we start with number 1. Which one is the best without a lot of lines, of course? So we have now to look. We choose the square with the fewest streaks on it. 2 streaks there. Oh, 2 streaks. I think the 3 should be the better one, huh? 3, then the 4s, 3, 4, 4, and 4. 3, 4, 4. Oh, maybe 6 here. Oh, I see here the 6 is much better. Okay, let's perform. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's perform this. Get the program now done. We are starting with number 1 that we can choose to 3. Then was 4. Number 2 is 4. Number 3 was number 5. Here we are, number 5. Number 5 this should be the best, and here it comes with number 6. Yeah. So number 6, and job's done. The print head alignment is completed. Yeah, this was the first one. Now we go printer head alignment again, and this was the vertical. Now we go to the horizontal. Let's perform the same. Now we get another sheet of paper, and this sheet of paper we will use to make an alignment again, but for the other direction. So here we are. Let's have a look now. Now we are going to see which is not separated and overlapped. Okay. Oh, this looks all a little bit. So we choose the rectangles that are not separated and not overlapped. Okay. Boy, this is really difficult because they look really the same style. Or no. I think it should be number 4. Eh? What do you think? Place in the comments, maybe. Okay, we choose number 4. And number 4 is reinstalled, yeah. But we can, of course, you see, we can make a separation of it, and we can, of course, make our own program of it. So printer alignment is now completed. We can go with done, and we go back to the main menu and have one with it. So this is how to make a new operation for your printer ad. That's really cool, and of course easy. You should perform this if you have problem with your printing solutions, of course. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel.